Question 3. We want to evaluate both of these two integrals. So 2 to 7, 1 over x plus square root of 3 dx. So that's ln x plus square root of 3, 2 to 7. And you can always double check your answer by differentiating these things. So let's differentiate dx ln x plus square root of 3. So that's 1 over x plus square root of 3. So that's correct. So this is correct. And then keep going. So we chuck the numbers 7 and 2 into this. Ln x plus square root of 3. So that's ln 7 plus square root of 3 minus ln 2 plus square root of 3. And then we simplify this polynomial. We simplify these terms, so that's 7 plus square root of 3 over 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, we're just gonna apply the same thing for the second integral. So that's 2 to 7, 1 over square root of 1 over x minus square root of 3 dx. So that's ln x minus square root of 3. So because the only difference is here plus or minus, so we just need to convert this plus to minus. And then 2 to 7 again. So we're just gonna copy this format because they are the same range but different, just different numbers. One is positive square root of 3 and the other is negative square root of 3. So that's ln 7 minus square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, that's for the first question. Question B. We want to show the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So half 1 over x minus square root of 3 plus 1 over x plus square root of 3. So that's half. So we're going to make the same denominator for both fractions. So that's x minus 3, x plus square root of 3 times x minus square root of 3. So we're going to have x minus square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 3. Okay, so that's half. So let's cancel out. So 2x and x squared minus 3, x squared minus 3, and that's x over x squared minus 3. So which is right hand side. Okay, question C. Use your answers to part A and part B. Use your answers to part A and part B. So you gotta use the answers from part A and B. So we want to evaluate this. And if you watch closely, this is the same as this. So we're gonna find the integral 2 to 7 x over x squared minus 3 dx. We've no idea on how to integrate this, but we've got ideas to we know how to deal with this. So let's change it to half 1 over x minus square root of 3 plus 1 over x plus square root of 3 dx. And then we go to, because the question has told you to use answers from part A and B. We just use the answers from part B. So we look back to part A. So we know these equals to these. These equals to these. So we can always take the constant in front of the integral. So that's half. So we have 2, 7, 1 over x minus square root of 3 plus 1 over x plus square root of 3 dx. And remember, we can always break the integral if that's a sum. So that's 2, 7, 1 over x minus square root of 3 dx plus 2 to 7, 1 over x plus square root of 3 dx. And then that's half. So the answers from A. So minus first. So minus, so that's gonna be ln 7 minus square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3, and plus ln 7 plus square root of 3, 2 plus square root of 3, and then we'll simplify this, half ln 7 minus square root of 3 over 2 minus square root of 3, and times 7 plus square root of 3 over 2 plus square root of 3. So that's half ln. So that's 49 minus 3 and 4 minus 3. So the answer is half ln 46. Okay, can we simplify? That's the final answer.